Make turkey cranberry sandwich spread. Life today, especially in the urban zone, is fast-paced. There are also times that people neglect and trade healthy and nutritious foodstuffs for fast foods. However, there are easy and healthy ways to eat nutritious foods even if you're living a fast-paced urban life. Try making a turkey cranberry sandwich spread. This sandwich is easy to make and it has enough nutrition to help you keep energized in a busy day. Below are steps and guides on how to make a turkey cranberry sandwich spread. Ingredients that you need to make a turkey cranberry sandwich spread. You need honey mustard, lettuce, French baguette, mozzarella cheese, cranberry sauce, and turkey. Cut the French baguette into 2 pieces. Toast the baguette, then fill it up with ingredients. Read the cranberry sauce. Use a margarine knife to spread the cranberry sauce onto the baguette pieces. It depends on you how much sauce you want to spread on the bread. Some people like it thin while some like it thick. Prepare the turkey pieces. You can use leftover turkey slices from Thanksgiving. Lay the turkey pieces down onto the baguette's bottom half. You can also use deli meat or roasted meat turkey. Add the mozzarella cheese. You can put 2 to 4 cheese slices on the turkey. Toast the mozzarella or fry the cheese slices for some minutes so they will melt on the turkey pieces. The cheese tastes good on the meat. The amount of mozzarella and the cooking process depends on your preference. Add the lettuce. Put a lettuce bed on top of mozzarella cheese. The lettuce is usually put between the bread and the melted cheese so the bread won't be soaked by the moist from the cheese and the turkey slices. This will maintain the bread's firm texture. Choices for your turkey cranberry sandwich spread. Put a little honey mustard in your sandwich if you prefer. The aftertaste of honey and mustard will counter the gusto of the turkey and cranberry juice. This is a taste worth trying and it's certain that your guests will ask for more. Another turkey cranberry sandwich spread recipe. You need 4 to 6 turkey breast slices, roasted, 3 tablespoons of cream cheese, nonfat, pumpkin pie slice, nutmeg, cinnamon, 2 tablespoons sauce of whole berry cranberry, canned, a handful of fresh spinach, 2 whole wheat bread slices, and 2 tablespoons of honey mustard. Make the recipe. Put the 2 tablespoons of cranberry sauce in a mixing bowl. Add the pumpkin pie spice, 2 nutmeg shakes, and 6 cinnamon shake in the bowl. Stir the ingredients well. Whip the creamy and light cream cheese in the bowl. Slather the bread slices with honey mustard. The amount depends on your preference. Put some turkey on a bread slice, then put some cream cheese over. Then, spread enough cranberry sauce mixture on the light cream cheese. Finally, put spinach on top of the fillings. Put the other bread slice and enjoy your sandwich. You can prepare the two variations of the turkey cranberry sandwiches so guests can select what they want, or they can taste both. You can also alter the ingredients to improve the taste once you've mastered the fundamentals. Make health your priority. This recipe is just an example of an easy-to-prepare healthy meal.